Dr. Arden Bement, Jr. is the David A. Ross Distinguished Professor Emeritus of Nuclear Engineering in the College of Engineering. He was just recently selected as Top Educational Director of the Year for 2019 by the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP, for his outstanding leadership and commitment to the industry. With over 6 decades of professional experience as an American engineer and scientist, Dr. Bement, Jr. has proven himself as an accomplished expert in several fields of science and engineering and has demonstrated professional success in all of his past positions in government, industry, and academia. Early in his industrial career, he achieved the rank of Senior Research Fellow at the AEC Hanford Laboratories, operated by the General Electric Company, and later became manager of both the Metallurgy Research and the Fuels and Materials departments at the Pacific Northwest National Laboratory, operated by the Battelle Memorial Institute. He was subsequently Vice President and Chief Science and Technical Officer for TRW, a diversified space, defense, energy, and transportation company. Dr. Bement has also held board directorships at the Keithley Instrument Company, the Lord Corporation, and Radian Research, Inc. In public service, he served 27 years in the United States Army Corps of Engineers, retiring as a lieutenant colonel. He was a councilman and mayor pro tem for the city of Richland, Washington. Later, he served in the federal government under 6 presidents, as director of DARPA's Materials Science Office, Deputy Under Secretary of Research and Advanced Technology in the Department of Defense, member of the National Science Board, Director of the National Institute of Science and Technology in the Department of Commerce, and Director of the National Science Foundation. Also, on behalf of the State Department, he was co-chairman of the U.S. Commission for Science and Technology for UNESCO. His academic career included appointments as Joint Professor of Nuclear Engineering and Materials Science and Engineering at MIT, where he directed a research program in thermonuclear fusion technology. Subsequently, he was appointed Distinguished Joint Professor of Materials Engineering and Electrical and Computer Engineering at Purdue University, where he directed a high-temperature superconductivity research consortium of 6 Midwest universities, was head of the School of Nuclear Engineering, and after leave for government service, became inaugural director of Purdue's Global Policy Research Institute. He also served on the board of visitors for the National Intelligence University in Bethesda, Maryland, and as a trustee of the Skolkovo Institute of Science and Technology near Moscow, Russia. Dr. Bement, Jr. holds an Engineer of Metallurgy degree from the Colorado School of Mines, a master's degree in metallurgical engineering from the University of Idaho, a doctorate in metallurgical engineering from the University of Michigan, and 7 honorary doctorates from Cleveland State University, Case Western Reserve University, Colorado School of Mines, Korean Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, University of Idaho, University of Macau, and the Michigan Technological University. He is a member of the National Academy of Engineering, a Fellow of the American Academy of Arts and Sciences, and a Fellow of the American Association for the Advancement of Science. Throughout his illustrious career, Dr. Bement has been active in his community and recognized worldwide for his outstanding leadership and commitment to science and engineering. He has received many awards, accolades, and has been featured in numerous publications multiple years in a row, such as Marquis Who's Who in Science and Engineering, Who's Who in America, and Who's Who in the World. For 2019, Dr. Bement is being considered to be featured in TIP, Top Industry Professionals magazine, and for the Lifetime Achievement Award by the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP. He was awarded the Imperial Order of the Rising Sun with Gold and Silver Star by the Emperor of Japan and Chevalier of the Legion of Honor by the President of France. In addition, he received the Distinguished Federal Executive Award from the White House, the Distinguished Civilian Service Medal from the Department of Defense, the William C. Redmond Award from the Department of Commerce, and by Mitch Daniels, Governor of Indiana, he was inducted in the Council of the Sagamores of the Wabash. During his career, Dr. Bement was a sought-after lecturer and active participant in the arts and science organizations. He was founder and president of the Mid-Columbia Arts Council, board member and vice president of the Cleveland Opera Company, board member of the Lafayette Symphony Orchestra, member of planning committees for the Cleveland Science Museum and Akron Inventors Hall of Fame, and president of the Indiana Academy of Science. Looking back, Dr. Bement attributes his success to a passion for learning, mentors he has had along the way, and to his two extraordinarily gifted and supportive wives, his late wife Mary and current wife Louise. Dr. Bement says he has been blessed. He loves what he is doing and feels there is yet more to learn. During the course of his career, he has traveled to all 7 continents, visited the capitals of 33 countries, met and shook hands with 8 presidents, and attended a banquet officiated by Prince Philip, the Duke of Edinburgh. During his 3rd trip to Antarctica, Dr. Bement inaugurated the Amundsen Scott Research Station at the South Pole and met with Sir Edmund Hillary. Dr. Bement keeps in touch with his extended family, currently numbering 85 and widely dispersed among 14 states, by maintaining an illustrated family chronicle in lieu of extensive travel. This chronicle contains a genealogical record of Bement ancestry dating back to 1635 when the first Bement settlers landed in America, and current photos and vignettes of the interests and achievements of family members. For the future, Dr. Bement hopes to maintain his interest in science, the arts, and philanthropy. For more information on Dr. Bement, please visit www.iaotp.com.